If you want to clear your search history on Lyft, follow these simple steps to ensure your privacy and keep your app experience fresh. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and preferences. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile menu, look for the settings option and select it. This section contains various options related to your account and app usage. Step 4. Find privacy settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the privacy or history section. This is where you can manage your search history and other privacy-related options. Step 5. Clear search history. Look for an option that says clear search history or similar. Tap on it to delete your previous searches and confirm the action if prompted. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Lyft. Regularly managing your app settings can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience.